Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for latest music ringtones.
Make us ringtoners by clicking the link in description.